How to get verified on Instagram. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. In order to do so, first and foremost, you need to launch your Instagram application in your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. To get yourself verified, that is a blue tick, tap on the user icon. From here, select on the three horizontal line and scroll down until you find the option of Meta Verified. From here, select on the option of Join Wait List. Once you are in the wait list, you have the chances to be verified by the Meta group. Tap on OK. To get verified, it might take a while since you have been added on the wait list. Depending upon your engagement and your content quality, there is always a bigger chance of being verified. Once you are verified, you will see a blue tick next to your user icon. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.